In this video we're gonna browse some little details of tab section, which is one part of set product React kit, and I will describe more about some new styles we've retouched instead of default material design styles. This components library demo based on Storybook. It's really useful tool to keep your items organized and helps to discover bugs, by the way. Segmented tabs are completely new here, we'll show it later in the details. Well, as many other components in this kit, we've lifted visual properties in the code to the top level, so you can quickly swap between field or underline tabs or convert underline tabs into classics within just edit one line of code. Before I continue, I want you to know that you can pre-order this product by clicking at the left top corner. Right now we've prepared several sections with components that you can play with our storybook, so check for the link in the video description. And by pre-ordering now, you keep us motivated and this product will be shipped to you once released. Okay, let's get back to the tabs. For the material underline, we've customized on hovers and underline reveal animation. Let me get a better zoom. You can operate in swap between styles in real-time mode just by selecting any of radio buttons at the bottom. You can recolor it from red to blue, green, and to the other base color palette, which is implemented as default. During our tasks, we wanted to have on hand a kit that contains a lot of exterior varieties, even a little bit incredible, but who knows. We deliver you a powerful pack, you decide which to use for a project. Sounds cool, isn't it? Oh, by the way, classic tabs are here now, in case you want to consider underline tabs in your project, and check out how easy you can manage with labels and icons just by toggling radio buttons. You can grab any of those styles and use for your components, and go productive along with set product React kit. And if you set dense option, this makes tabs more compact for serious web tools where you need to save space. And there's something new here. We've done segmented controls, which are based on tabs idea but inspired by iOS mobile interfaces. We know a lot of cases when designing a desktop app, whereas using segmented controls is much more preferred than just tabs. And this approach works here absolutely the same and perfect. So if you would like to get this library for your React web or mobile apps, it's a quite good choice. Check for the links below the video. I guarantee you, there is a lot of visual sexy stuff in this storybook for at least your inspiration.